Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and this is Tea Tuesday, my friends. I am drinking actually a cold tea, and this is bubble tea from KFC, I think it's called. I'm actually having the rose hip lemonade flavor, and this is about medium size. Sorry guys, I got a little spill there. It is actually delicious. And in it, I have some tapioca pearls in it. The tea, the bubble tea is actually a green tea based drink, and it has a rose hip flavor to it. The rose hip is a berry-like fruit from certain species of the rose plant, and it has a sweet, tangy, delicious taste to it. Okay, and so this is what it looks like. So rose hip lemonade, if you happen to go to KFT or a bubble tea place, just ask them for the rose hip flavor. It is really delicious, and as you know, I love a good juice. So this is what I'm drinking today, a cold tea. So what I wanted to talk to you about is about HelloFresh. You guys seen this HelloFresh advertised all over the place, my friends, and we decided to try it today. So this is how it comes, my friends, and each bag is individually wrapped like this with all the ingredients that you need. And this is what we're making today, actually. And this is the stuff. But the stuff does look fresh. I'm just going to empty the box and let you see. Just for you to take a look to see what I'm talking about. And we decided to order HelloFresh just to try it, my friends. Okay, I'm not saying it's for everyone. So we try HelloFresh packages for the week, and honestly, I was very, very impressed with HelloFresh meals. So here's the bag, my friends, and we have some cilantro, and as I said, all the ingredients that you need to make this one meal is in the bag. Again, we're making hearted beef and black bean chili, and it's about $160 for a set of 5 meals. And you get to choose what kind of meals that you want. They have a list of meals that you can choose, and most of their meals, my friends, you can prepare within 30 minutes or less. The meal that I prepared today is the chili, I think spicy chili, and that only took, well, that took a little bit longer because I had to roast the sweet potatoes, and I think it only took maybe about 40 minutes to make. But that's what I wanted to talk about. And why I wanted to mention it, I'm so big now in getting my ease. If you're familiar with that term, just getting a break for myself. I think HelloFresh is a good way to go. This video is not sponsored, by the way. As I said, 30 minutes meal idea, delicious.
I sponsored this meal.
Yeah, okay, my daughter sponsored this meal, so she paid for it. But 30 minutes meal idea, my friends. If you are interested in getting your ease on and just don't have too much time to spare to be in the kitchen, I think HelloFresh is a good idea. It's a little bit pricey, but you know what? You pay for quality, and the quality of the food is very, very good. I am impressed with HelloFresh. So that's all I wanted to talk to you guys. Go out, do an experiment. Try HelloFresh if you may. As I said, it costs about $160. You get to pick your meals. Now, in my family, we spend about $160 per week on food in this house. So it's not all that bad. And honestly, as I said, 30 minutes. So when I come home from a hard day of work, 30 minutes, I'm in and out of the kitchen. It's just such a good thing. Everything that you need is in the package, and this is what I love. So this is why I decided to mention HelloFresh to you guys. If you have tried HelloFresh, let me know by commenting down below. And that's basically it for my Tilly Tuesday. And that's it, my friends. Go ahead and say it. This is my time, and I deserve something better. Thank you for watching.